My name is Scott Rodriguez, Senior Vice President of Culinary and Kitchen Innovation for BJ's Restaurants. We are based in Huntington Beach, California. We discovered it first at the National Restaurant Show. We were looking for a cooking platform to help us with the launch of a slow roasted menu we had been working on. The solution it provided for us was a consistent cooking platform, really is how we use it, for our proteins that's high yield and that we can use throughout the day, and ease of use for our team members. It's very easy to use, and the product is very, very consistent coming out of it. So in our staging process, or if we do any special events, we do use the CVAP throughout the day to stage different products. We do it for our prime rib and our tri-tip currently. For our slow roast platform, we stage that throughout the day to use it. So the CVAP is absolutely more efficient in the kitchen because you can set it, and since we use multiple ovens, we can have different proteins going at the same time. And we've actually been able to reduce the amount of convection ovens we have in the restaurant, and we use the CVAPs in its place because of the consistency. So I've worked personally different concepts with different types of cooking platforms, but the Winston CVAP, the thing is the high yield as well as the consistency of the product that you get, and really takes the guesswork out of cooking, especially for a temperature-based type protein. So our slow roast platform that's taken over our menu is now the #1 category on our menu. BJ's as a whole does about $1 billion in sales a year, and this has become our #1 category strictly because of installing and putting in these Winston CVAPs. Right, so beyond the proteins, we're in the testing phase for rice, baked potatoes, mashed potatoes. We also have been testing it for cooking throughout the day as opposed to a slower, high yield cooking type platform. So we're looking at bacon and meatballs and those types of things as well. And we're also starting to experiment with desserts and pizza.